Good morning. Today is September 3rd, and you are watching Wade's Weekly Update. Here's what's going on kind of right now in the real estate and mortgage market here in the Middle Tennessee area. From what I have heard, talking to the realtor partners that I work with recently, basically what I'm hearing is our real estate market is starting to level off a little bit. Everybody's that I'm talking to is either speeding up or slowing down. So some people have been very busy are starting to slow down, and some that haven't been so busy are starting to pick up. So I kind of take that as the market's starting to level off a little bit. Typically during this time of the year, that's when the real estate market seems to be slowing down a bit. But basically what I'm seeing is our market is still very active, still a whole lot of houses being sold and people looking, and so that's good news for our real estate market. As far as what's going on, what we've got going on in the mortgage market, one thing that's being announced recently, if you haven't heard, conventional loans are starting to require a 5% down payment. At the end of this year, they will be eliminating the 3% down conventional loan. So they're starting to kind of cut down on how much we put down when buying a house. So conventional mortgages are going to where you will need to put 5% down to get a conventional mortgage. On the converse, of course, 3.5% is what's required with FHA. So as far as interest rates go, August was a very volatile month. I would expect September to be a very volatile month as well. They've kind of bounced around quite a bit. September is going to be a big month because we've got the Federal Reserve is meeting in September, and there'll be a lot of news kind of come out about that and should affect interest rates. So what I can tell you is they're still really low, historically ridiculously low. I mean, when you're talking, we're still below 5%, and I would say somewhere between 4.5% and 5%, depending on your situation. So still ridiculously low as far as that's concerned. For this week, I wanted to hit on another partner of mine, Brad Young, with the Bank of Nashville. Brad is the branch manager over at the Hermitage, Tennessee Bank of Nashville. They are a local bank. And really, if you're looking for a personal banker, I would highly recommend you talk to Brad. Whether you've got a commercial business, whether you just need personal banking, whether it's both. I've dealt with Brad and his team a lot. He's got extremely friendly staff over there. And you know, if you're just looking for advice on what you should do, I would certainly go talk to Brad and see if you can't develop a relationship. I highly recommend that you have a personal banker, not just a bank. So that's what you would get with Brad. So that's really all I have for today, and mainly the best thing I can tell you to do is rates are still really low. The housing market's really good, so if you have any interest at all, contact a mortgage person that you trust, and contact a realtor that you trust, and see if you can't get pre-qualified to buy that house of your dreams. So as always, I am Wade Byers with Benchmark Home Loans. You can call or text me anytime at 615-335-3356. I'm always here to help. Thanks a lot and have a great day.